Sweet, juicy and highly nutritious, the mango is more than just a fruit. It's a lifeline and a symbol of potential for farmers, especially in areas like Makueni County, Kenya's mango-growing powerhouse. The county produces about 30% of Kenya's mangoes. With over 4 million trees across 19,904 hectares, the county produces 200,000 metric tons of mangoes annually. Yet, farmers face a major challenge, the fruit fly, an invasive pest native to Africa that lowers fruit quality, affecting both yields and market value.
Pests and diseases are a major challenge, and I want to talk about the investment levels is on the inputs that they put into the value chain. So we're grappling with the fruit value, with the fruit fly, and then mango seed weevil. Those are major challenges that we've been grappling with. But then the government has been, of course, in the forefront to support farmers to deal with that menace.
We had so many challenges. For example, in the beginning, we had this mango beetle. It was a very big challenge. This podal middle. We have things like these black spots. They were bothering us so much. But after some trainings, I engaged myself in several trainings. And by so doing, I started improving my farming.
To protect their livelihoods, mango farmers have been battling the fruit fly with various methods and gradually gaining control. But with growing demand for safe, chemical-free produce, this has led to research and innovations on how to control the fruit fly. In response, stakeholders in the biopesticide sector introduced integrated pest management techniques to effectively tackle the fruit fly challenge.
I used to do it the cultural way, yeah. So I used to use neem tree. I soak it, and I spray it, yeah. So by then, I have learned that there is integrated pest management, and I'll apply it, yeah.
As one of Kenya's key tropical exports, mangoes must meet strict phytosanitary guidelines. To support this, the Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Services, Kephis, and Makueni County Government, with backing from the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, organized a workshop to train mango farmers in Makueni County on effective biocontrol methods for managing the fruit fly.
Today, we had come to create awareness to the farmers. Since they're already aware of the pest is with them, we wanted to create awareness on some of the pests of concern. Other than the fruit fly that they already know, we tell them about pests and diseases that are there in mango and how to take care of them or how to manage these particular pests. Also, we wanted to show them all, inform them how to we do the creation of an area of low pest prevalence. What are some of the steps? What are some of the requirements that they need? So from the objective of this training would be, at the end of the day, if they take care of all these measures that we are talking about, all these phytosanitary measures and control measures that we have mentioned in this training, then they could be able to have a clean crop, a clean mango that can be able to assess market. So we are looking at two things: market compliance and also market access. The Netherlands has come in handy to provide us solution. The technologies, they have facilitated the procurement of some of the technologies from some of the companies that are undertaking production of these trapping lures and others for sanitation purposes.
Corporate Biological Systems and FAINA offer integrated pest management solutions. In this training, they showcased and trained farmers on proper use of biological solutions and how to handle infested fruits.
In this training, we were contacted to come in and train farmers on how to manage fruit fly in mangoes specifically. So I've trained them, and the impact has been good because they have well received the products. The products that I showcased to them, we have the funnel trap, as you can see. It's a good trap because it can be used in two ways. You can use it with a pheromone here, then you place it here, and then when the fruit flies come, they are just trapped here. we are using a male-scented pheromone so that it attracts the males and reduces the population. You can also use it with a fruit fly attractant. You pour 200 ml of fruit fly attractant in this funnel trap. Up to here, it's even marked, making it easier for farmers. And then you just hang it on your mango tree. And then now it just invites or attracts the fruit flies.
Training saw over 40 participants, including women and youth engaged in mango farming from Makueni County, Moani area, who appreciated the support and training from the organizing partners and vowed to be ambassadors to their fellow farmers to create pest-free zones for the desired results of quality fruits.
There are several things that I've learned. Okay, for example, we were talking of the orchard and how we can these mangoes which have fallen, how we can pick them, keep them in a solar bag, and that is a way of eliminating the production of the mango fruit fly. Most of our farmers they were not aware of that.
With an increased adoption of techniques to control fruit flies, Kenya lifted its self-imposed ban on mango exports in 2021 to the European markets. Makueni County Government has since trained over 100,000 mango farmers on good agricultural practices and established areas of low pest prevalence. This saw a reduction of infestation on farms from 91.5% to 86% by December of 2022.
Initially, we wanted to establish a pest-free area whereby we don't have fruit fly, because fruit fly is a major challenge in mango. And Makueni being the major county that grows mango, we placed a self-ban in 2014 because of fruit flies. Now we wanted to have a source of mangoes which is free from the pests and which can be accommodated in the market. Today, we had come to create awareness to the farmers. Since they're already aware of the pest is with them, we wanted to create awareness on some of the pests of concern. Other than the fruit fly that they already know, we tell them about pests and diseases that are there in mango and how to take care of them or how to manage these particular pests. Also, we wanted to show them all, inform them how to we do the creation of an area of low pest prevalence. What are some of the steps? What are some of the requirements that they need? The
county invested in a value addition plant. We have the Makueni fruit processing plant, which initially we were doing only puree. Now we are doing a ready-to-drink juice. And we have the cottage industry, where we have our young people, our youth who are doing drying of mangoes. Others are making juices from the puree from the factory. Of course, the mango market sentiment for us, we're looking at the processing sentiment, we are looking at the local market, and we're looking at the export markets. Combined, we only uptaking around 4 or 5% of the total production. So we still have a long way to ensure that our mangoes have really been uptaken. So the challenges that I've mentioned earlier, we are trying to address them so that we can have an expanded export market where we can now take more of our mangoes as opposed to the processing. Because where there is a higher portfolio for the mango is on the export market.
With consistent training and collaboration among stakeholders, it is possible for farmers to produce fruits that are safe for both the domestic and export markets. The county government and stakeholders along the value chain will need to strengthen regulatory frameworks that will boost the mango value chain in the long run.